Got Jefa Frank. He needs help finding his wallet. So if you find a wallet with the name Frank on it,
sexiest man on it, that's not me. You got the wrong one.
You got the wrong wallet. Nah, we out here by the fields. Whoa, shit. Well, we are in the fields, but we're in the cave mountains. We chilling though. She found it?
Yeah, she sent me a picture with them.
Alright, what's up guys? You know, just gonna show you guys a house tour. You know, this YouTube grind is taking me places all thanks to you guys. See the sign right there? Well, you can't really see it because it's gone because I bought this house. Alright, I got 2 whips here already. That's my whip, that's my girl's whip right there. You know, we got some firewood because we can't pay the heating bill or the gas bill. We have to use wood. You can see freshly trimmed yard. We have our gardener coming out every week. This tree, I don't even want it anymore, to be honest. I might have killed my ex-wife because look at the police tape right there. Yeah, I might have killed her, I don't even know. Right here, me and the boys like to shoot hoops. You know, just ball out on the bison rim. I don't even know, I just came with the house. Oh, don't mind the weeds, it's actually grass. Oh, that's my pet cat right there. I don't know if you can see it. My pet cat. Pet cat is right over there. My garage, it kind of fell off. I don't even remember what happened, to be honest. This isn't actually glass. It's all diamonds. Just flexing on everyone. So this is my garage. This is where I usually park my whips. But as you can see, you know, a little damage happened. I don't know what really happened though. See this wall right here? I mean, it's pretty weak. I could probably shoot a hole through it. Fuck no, I can't. Oops, I didn't mean to drop the F-bomb. Yeah, this is my house. Right here was the... I don't even know, to be honest, I forgot. Oh, wait, I remember. Because, you know, I'm hella buff. I would hella rep this shit. Alright, we don't want that shit. Just keep going. Oh shit, don't touch that light, I don't know what it does. So this was the laundry room slash kitchen. And this is where me and the boys were drinking before. We were drinking right there. I don't even know what that fucking beer is called. I was too drunk to even care. Over here we have the swimming pool. Nothing too crazy, you know, just YouTube money. Keep going. So here's my pool, you know, drinking Monster Energy. You know, let's go down my pool real quick. You see, my pool is pretty lit, to be honest. This is for rage, you know, when you drop a rage spell on Clash of Clans and your troops go hella stupid. Right here's my pool. I'll show you how it looks when you swim in it. Enough of the jokes, bro. There's little frogs in here.
Is this your zoo?
Yeah, that's my zoo, fool. What's up, homie? Oh.
What's his name?
Oh, that was Timmy, fool. He was here when the house was burning down, but...
He survived?
He survived, yeah. He's goated. Look at him, bro. You know why he survived? Because he said Black Lives Matter.
He's not black, though.
Yeah, that's cool, though.
Yeah, there's bigger ones in the inside.
Yeah, huh? I just swallowed a mosquito. I'm gonna get AIDS. I'm gonna get AIDS, food. Fuck, I got a lot of cleaning to do. Fuck this shit, fool. This shit's hella annoying. This is a good side, though. Over there, you know, you gotta get to there still. Alright, guys, that's the end of the house tour for today. You know, just wanted to flex a little bit. Thank you all, guys, for that YouTube money. Honestly, bro. This is how far it's gotten me, out in the middle of nowhere, just to get a burnt pad. Of course I am. Alejandro got canceled from Jefa Vlogs. I mean, not we don't say that no more on this channel, remember? I meant, gosh darn it, no, that's not gonna happen. You're still CEO. Comment right now, keep AL in the chat. Just keep saying that, and he'll come back, I promise.
Whoever called my name, just comment down below.
Comment down below. Dinah. Yo, this lighting is fucking... Oh, damn it, I keep dropping F-bombs. Shit. Oh, but I can say shit, but I can't say the F word. Bro, like... It's hard. I'm not even gonna lie, to be honest. Back what you could. It is. Oh man.